Yeah, put those costumes. They got cooties on them. Pick a costume that doesn't have any cooties on them.
Why do you do that to her?
Shut up. All right, back on the stage.
Look in the mirrors, you can see yourself. See?
They're laughing at you, Kylie. Everybody's laughing. Somebody's rubbing their eyes.
Some ice cream and take a long ride home.
Get you some ice cream, yes. How about some ice cream and a ride home?
This is a harp.
Ooh, that sounds nice. And what's this? Lightning. Thunder. What's this one?
Storm. That's wind.
Louder, we can't hear you.
Shake it up, baby.
Shake it up. Pump, pump. Let's see some pump action. I think it's going to rain.
Sit on the chair and sing a song. Sing the Eensy Beensy. Shut up already.
Be careful, please.